Planning an event means juggling a guest list, a seating chart, a menu, dietary needs, RSVPs, and 100 messages. Usually this happens across 5 different apps. We built Guest Management 2.0 to put all of that in one place. Everything lives under the Guest tab on any Bazaar event, organized into 5 different sections, starting with the Guest tab. This is where you see RSVPs, households, and bulk actions. Next, we have the seating. This is where you can look at our drag and drop layout builder, as well as a table view. Next, we have the menu. This is where you and your catering vendor can work together to build the menu for your guests to see and choose for the RSVPs. Check-in tab has a QR scanner where those with access can check guests in. Guest notes are keepsake messages your guests leave behind when they RSVP. Over the next 6 videos, I'll walk you through each part, short, focused. You can watch the ones that matter to you. Up first, the guest list itself. Hit subscribe and let's get into it.